welcome everyone to the Spiritual Sessions Academy, and this is Explore the Emerald Tablets. And I'm so happy just to be bringing this class to you guys, and just to tell you a little bit more about this class. So it is going to be coming from this beautiful book, and this is the Emerald Tablets of Lord Thoth the Atlantean. And we're going to be doing a 1 year study. Basically, it's about 45 weeks study of the tablets. And there are about 13 tablets with 2 extras in this particular book. And we are going to be breaking it down one by one, each tablet, so that you can gain the keys needed to unlock the tablets and get a deeper understanding. This is for those that are on that journey of their spirituality. They want to learn more about their spirituality, want to understand their journey, the connection that we have from ancient times, ancient Egypt, ancient Kemet, and there's so much that's unfolding even today in year 2022 going into 2023, where we are finding more and more where Atlantis was originally here in the Americas, coming from the tip of North America, crossing over into South America, crossing the Caribbean, and just really giving us some insight of the first Kemet, where it was, and where the new Kemet, where it is today, and so much more. And so through this path of Lord Thoth that we're going to connect with this particular Atlantean, and understanding the tablets that he wrote, why he wrote them, because he is of course part of the priesthood and mystery school. And so a lot of this is based in mystery school teaching. If this has always intrigued you, had an interest, and really want to dive deeper, I really highly suggest to sign up, enroll today, and be a part of this class that I'm going to be breaking it down for you guys more and more. We're going to have really deep discussions. We're all going to be a part of this, talking about it, breaking it down, getting a better understanding of each tablet and how it affects our own life, our own spiritual path. And for those that are drawn to it, definitely this is for you, because there's something in these keys that's needed for you unlocking your spiritual journey. And so I'm excited for this class. For those that are new to me, I am Najaam. I'm a spiritual life coach, health wellness consultant, intuitive reader, Reiki master. I'm a teacher and a speaker, and I really help ones on this journey of spirituality, and just aligning with not only being on this earth plane, but going beyond this. What does the spiritual, the soul spirit journey is all about? And that's what I'm into, and this is what is going to take you down the rabbit hole. So if you're ready to go down into the caves of the pyramid, go into the undercities of the pyramid, if you're ready to really explore these ancient texts, then enroll today and let's get started. I can't wait to share with you. This is going to be so sensational, and really good to see the unfolding of your journey expand and blossom so much more than you ever thought before. So go ahead and roll today, and I'll see you on the inside.